Біз бүгін қазақша көйлектерімізді киіп, Қазақстан шоколад наборымызды алып, лайнердегі шетелдіктерден біздің ұлттық киіміміз қай елдік екенін табады ма екен, соны сұрайтын боламыз. Дұрыс жауап бергендерге біз өзіміздің шоколадтарымызды үлестіреміз. Қазір көрейік, қаншалықты біледі екен Қазақстанды. Когда хотели раздать шоколадки? Тапты?
Рахмет.
Yes. Where are you from?
Belgium.
Belgium. Yes. Okay. And do you know what nationality dress is from what country we are? Can you find?
It's Asian, so we saw.
Asian, yes.
But
Central Asian.
Central, I think.
The biggest country in Central Asia.
Oh, it's difficult. Want I wasn't Asian. Not Taiwan. It's
Some variants.
yeah. Oh. It's not Japan. It's
Not Japan. Yes, Kazakhstan. Right. Yes, yes. And it's for you.
Okay.
It's chocolate from
Yes.
Kazakhstan. Ah, je m'appelle Nurgul. Okay. Okay.
Where do you come from?
It's my question for you. How do you think what country is our dress national? Central Asia?
Indonesia.
Huh?
Indonesia.
No. Another? First letter is K.
Sorry?
K.
Croatian.
Huh?
Croatian.
It's the biggest country in Central Asia.
With K. With Q or K.
K. The next letter is A.
Kazakhstan.
Yes! You are champion. It's chocolate from Kazakhstan for you. Welcome to Kazakhstan. Nice to meet you. In May that year, I was in Cannes Festival in France.
Oh, really?
I very like your country. What country?
China, no. Japan,
No,
Korea,
Japan. No, Korean.
Vietnam,
No, Vietnam. Near Asia, Central Asia.
Thailand,
No. The first letter is K. K.
Kenya,
No, Kenya.
like this.
Yes. K.
Help me.
Help me. A. The second letter is A.
Hey, Peru,
No?
Peru, Kenya, no.
No, Kenya. We are from Kazakhstan.
Kazakhstan.
Yes. And it's our chocolate for you. You are welcome. Kazakhstan. We are.
I went from to Guadeloupe.
You are from Guadeloupe.
Yes.
And how do you think? What is nationality dress is? Do you know? No.
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 I know.
Central Asia, and the first letter is K. Biggest country in Central Asia.
Central.
Central Asia.
Egypte.
Egypt.
No, Egypt. Asia. A-C-I-A. Asia.
Asia.
Central Asia. And the biggest country in Central Asia.
Donc dans le centre de l'Asie.
The biggest country. The first letter is K. How do you think? What country is?
Ok, c'est le nom de la ville.
Ouais.
Ok.
Et mais elle demande qu'est-ce qu'on pense de la ville, mais on ne connaît pas.
Sorry.
No? You don't know? We are from Kazakhstan.
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 Welcome
Okay.
to Kazakhstan. It's our national dresses. It's chocolate for you.
Okay.
Our Kazakhstan chocolate. You are welcome.
Ouais.
Indonesia?
No.
No?
No. It's the biggest country in Central Asia, and the first letter is K.
Cape.
K. K. K.
Cape. Okay. Pakistan.
Huh?
Pakistan.
Kyrgyzstan.
Kyrgyzstan.
No, the very near, the very similar,
What?
but
Ah.
A.
Azerbaïdjan. Non.
The first letter is K, then A, K, and the last of Stan. Do you know Triple G, Dimash Kudaibergenov, do you know?
No.
No?
I don't know. Sorry.
Okay. We are from Kazakhstan.
Kazakhstan. C'est ça?
Yes. Do you know this country?
Sorry?
Do you know this country?
Si, I see.
Ah,
Kazakhstan,
okay.
si.
And it's our chocolate for your daughter from Kazakhstan. Kızına berem. Thank you.